G'day guys, so this is the 2019 RS 300R as released in Australia. Picked it up last Monday. It is awesome. About 130 k's on so far. Road, city, took it to motocross track, and today we're up here at Mount Macedon. Have a bit of a play around in the bush on the trails, and the nice twisties coming up and down the hill here. It's a few modifications this year by SWM, or 2019 model. Different seat, a lot more comfortable here, very nice. Plastics are a lot tighter, a lot cleaner, match in. Graphics kit looks fantastic. It's got the black rims and they work in absolutely. We've got, otherwise the only changes, coming to me, slightly less equipment hanging off the back for the European plate, and it's got the arrow pipe in place of the two original pipes which they did at the dealership. K&J Thomas helped me out with this one. Full sticker price, on the road, 12 months rego, good to go, and absolutely wonderful. Alright, there we have it. It's just hit 150 k's, nice little 15-20k loop through the scrub and up the hills. Absolutely fantastic. A couple of things to mention: this has got the LED lights, new head surround with the LED lights as well. Different mapping for the ECU, matches in with the pipe beautifully this year, really nice and tight. Beautiful bark to it, goes really nicely. Just lovely and nice, I guess is the best way of describing it. Get on it, good bit of kit.